Visuals. I'm Mr. Ridiculous, aka Los, and today we got another banger. Let's get straight to it. Today we're color grading the music video for NBA YoungBoy. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. I got a few clips here from NBA YoungBoy's music video. As you can see, this music video was put out. It doesn't look like it's been color graded or anything, so we're gonna color grade it. And we're gonna color grade it using the plugin for Premiere Pro. It's available for Final Cut Pro and DaVinci Resolve. I'll have affiliated links to it in the description. Go check it out. I guarantee you this is the easiest way to color grade. So let's get straight into it. We're gonna go to the effects panel and type in Cinema Grade. So what you want to do is you want to highlight your footage, all of it, grab the Cinema Grade plugin, and just place it on there. You want to go ahead and hit Open Controls. It'll open up Cinema Grade. So basically, if you click this little arrow, it shows you all your clips that you have in there. So we're gonna find one from each scene that looks like we want to color grade it. So let's do this one right here. So the great thing about this is that it's set up for you to grade in the order that you should be grading in. So you have your exposure right here, your contrast, your white balance, color temperature, saturation, and your hue, saturation, luma adjustments. So we're gonna start with the exposure. If you just hit E on the keyboard, it'll go to exposure. If you hit Shift E, it goes to where you can adjust highlights, midtones, and shadows separately. So let's do that. Let's adjust the midtones, which would be skin tones. Just click, drag up and down, and you can see what it's doing to the footage. We'll do the highlights. This is about a highlight area right there. We'll take that down some. And I think the shadows and the blacks are good. I'll bring that up a little bit. I'm gonna bring the highlights back up a little bit. This is for contrast. You can hit C on the keyboard to go to contrast, and then you can just click and drag contrast up. I like the color of the video already, but you can actually auto white balance if you wanted to, but I'm gonna leave it like this. But I'll just show you. That's W on the keyboard for white balance. If you drag it up, it makes it warmer. Drag it down, it makes it cooler. Actually, I like this cool look right here. So we're gonna stick right there. Saturation. You click S on the keyboard for saturation, or Shift S, and that will give you shadows, midtones, and highlights. You can adjust the saturation in each different area. So I'm gonna saturate the skin tones a little bit, saturate the blacks, and a little bit on the highlights. And this last one is your hue, saturation, and your luma adjustments. So if you want to change the hue on his jacket, let's say, you would just click on it, drag up or down. That'll change the hue of the jacket. Keep it right here. If you hit Shift, it will change the saturation of the color you're on. If you hit Control, it'll change and drag up and down. It'll change the luminance, how dark or how bright that color is. So we're gonna bring it down like that, right? So that's one shot that we got color graded. Exposure down, you can see it comes, whatever you do here happens in these sliders. So it's just like Lightroom, these sliders. So you can actually edit it from here if you wanted to. I just like the click and drag. feature. Alright, so now that we got our main clip colored for each one of these scenes, the next thing to do is go into shot matching. So we know we colored this one, so we're going to select the yellow. So everything, all of this scene, we're going to select it. So all we got is those two of him outside by the car. Oh, this one. So that's 3. We're going to select this. What's the next one? We color graded this one. So we'll do that one. And that one. Select another one. Alright, so once you got your clips all grouped, and if you have more, you can add more by hitting this plus button. So now you want to go to shot matching. So you click match shots right here. So we're on this group. So now you can copy the correction from this one and apply it. If you don't like, if it's not matching exactly, then you can click on here and edit this one to match more. So you can come here, you could change, let's see, Kelvin, because it's a little too blue. Come here, change to Kelvin, just to make it match. So let's go to the top. So with copy correction, you can apply to the one photo that's right here, or you can apply to the group. So apply to the group, that matches perfectly. And then you come here, look at it, that matches. That's the only 2 in that group. So we got this one, copy correction, apply to group, that matches. That matches. Then you come here. Here's where you would use your LUTs. So once you're in, this is your final grading. So this is your actual, if you have LUTs, you can import LUTs into here. I imported a bunch of LUTs into here. Different looks. It comes with a bunch of LUTs if you get a certain pack. Cool thing is you can preview it here. You'll see how it looks before you put the LUT on your footage. And you could also adjust the strength of the LUT once you put it on there. I love these Cine look LUTs. The teal and orange look. So dope for most footage. I'm not going to use a LUT on this footage because I like the way I color graded it. This is another tool you can use. You can have a picture. You can choose an image, and then you can match it to that image. It doesn't even have to be from your project. Choose the image, find it on your computer, bring it in here, and then you can match it to that. So I'm gonna just click apply. Apply to all change shots. It's gonna apply it. I'll close it out. We'll go into here, and as you see, all the clips are color graded. It's that fast, that simple. I'll just show you. I'll turn cinema grade off. It goes from that to this. From that to this. All in cinema grade. We didn't do any, and if you wanted to, you could come back in Premiere Pro and add on top of this if you wanted to. Yeah, it's cinema grade is just great. It's just it works. It just works. That's all I can say about it. So, like I said, the link in the description, it is an affiliate link. So if you do click the link and purchase, I do get a kickback at no extra cost to you. Um, but I advise you to at least click the link for the free trial. Um, Download the free trial, and if you like it, buy it. I promise you won't be disappointed. Don't forget to like the video. Drop a comment below. Let me know what's your favorite part of cinema grade. And that's it for me, guys. I'm out.